Hey guys, what's up here? Cash here, also known as Cash. I'm sorry for that, but oh my gosh, my throat. Oh my gosh, Lodix, this. Oh my gosh, that's funny. Okay, guys, you're just gonna have to handle the load disk. It sounds weird, but it's not. Oh gosh. Okay, I tried to kill him. What? Oh, okay. I didn't mean to do that. That's not actually Jacksepticeye. I doubt it. No, it's not. If that was actually Jacksepticeye, I don't know. I would be watching his video right now, guys. I would be watching his video right now. Some of you don't know who Jacksepticeye is. He's awesome. Whoa! Wait a second. Holy crap! Thank you. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh, no! I was greedy. I was so greedy. I was being greedy, guys. The lesson to be learned is to be greedy. Yeah, in school I had to tell the teacher what the lesson was and support it. What happened in book. It was tiring. Okay, guys. Okay. Ooh. Okay. That guy's not big enough for us to kill. Okay. We have to get bigger. And we're gonna trap some people. If you don't know how to trap people, you go like this and you go like that and then you trap them. And they can't get out unless they die. So yeah, so no matter what, soon enough, they're gonna die and they're gonna get all the food. And it's really awesome when you get all the food. Because it's awesome when you have all the food. Yeah, you guys get it. It's awesome when you get all the food. I think you guys get it. I don't have to say it 12 times like I should do. Give me deep. Oh my gosh, that was scary. Guys, my trick is... Oh, holy crap. Is that actually what happens when you press jelly? Is it actually? No! No. I tried it. And freaking ant.